Imagine AI Art is an Android application designed for creating stunning and unique artwork using artificial intelligence. This app harnesses advanced AI algorithms to transform simple input prompts, images, or styles into visually captivating art pieces, making it accessible for users with various artistic skills. With Imagine AI Art, users can explore a wide range of artistic styles and themes, from abstract designs to realistic illustrations. The app typically allows users to customize their creations by adjusting parameters such as color, texture, and complexity, providing a highly personalized artistic experience. The intuitive interface facilitates easy navigation, enabling users to generate artwork quickly and share their creations across social media platforms or save them for personal use. Additionally, Imagine AI Art may offer features like collaboration tools, allowing users to work together or gain inspiration from the community. Overall, Imagine AI Art is a powerful tool for anyone interested in exploring the intersection of technology and creativity, providing an innovative way to create and appreciate digital art.